Yes. So one of the toughest part of my job is drawing lips. So I'm going with a peach kind of lips. Uh, this is the most troubling part of my daily life, to learn how to draw lips. I'm going with some depth, with some crimson red. Depth with crimson red. Well, I know they are not looking like lips, but in few more strokes they will. Okay. And then little bit less of the highlights. Depth. Uh, so depth. Then some highlights over here. Okay. So it is turning out great, I will say. As a few moments earlier, it was not looking like lips at all, but now I can say it is little bit closer than lips. Some depth, that I need some light as well, but depth is more important right now. Yes. So depth is done. Just need some white highlights, some separated white, you can call highlight. Yes. Highlights. Then I just need little bit of red over here to separate the other highlight with this. And okay, so it is close. I just need a really thin brush, not long handle brush right now, but I don't have. And voila. I hope I'm close enough that you can consider